from being a YouTube TVF original, now being a Netflix original, it is an absolute cinematic marvel. Welcome back to the channel. Everyone, happy you guys are doing absolutely fine. So, TVF season out is out on Netflix, and it is one of the show which you should absolutely watch for its cinematography. Obviously, story is one of its backbone, but given all the camera angles, given all in the way that the camera moves and the drone moves and the transition from one scene to another, it's absolutely amazing. And being a show which is one of the most unique part of the show is this, that it is entirely in black and white. So I just thought of creating even this video into a little bit black and white to give the show and the review similar feels. So season one ended on a note where our main lead character, who was Jitu's character, he was leaving Prodigy and he was going to do something on his own. And the season two is basically on those grounds. I'll try to keep this video as spoiler free as possible, but overall it will give you a very much in-depth scenario from the commercial point of view of all these institutions which are there at Kota, Rajasthan. And apart from its cinematography, apart from its story, you will definitely see a lot of insight on most of the characters and what they are going through, and how exactly the 11th as well as 12th are prepared, and the way not just in the way that they are prepared, but how much they are emotionally important for every student who is going through that phase. And it is a real time flashback of how these competitive exams were and how we have gone through our 11th and 12th. I never even imagined to fill the form of JE, but yes, even CET, I gave CET. I've done mechanical engineering. So given on those grounds, even that competitive atmosphere, I've never taken it that seriously. Even I don't know how I've completed my engineering, but the things and the level to which these guys take, like the level of seriousness that these guys take to a different level, it is highly applaudable. And that is one of the focus of season 2, that how they are supposed to be and how they are supposed to prepare, not just keeping in mind that competitiveness, but there are a lot of other factors as well which you should keep in mind. So at the end, obviously there is going to be a very big reveal kind of thing, but yes, it is again, season 2 is again leaving us on a very big cliffhanger by the season 2's end episode, I can say. But one good thing which this season 2 has done is it has very much limited all the episodes to only 5. Most of the series nowadays just stretch the story in order to increase the number of episodes, but TVF has not done this time, because it is also with Netflix and they have limited the episodes to only 5. So that also gives a kind of a closure. And I know I just woke up somewhere around 12 today, and there was this post of one of the YouTube reviewer that Netflix had kind of released this at 12, and that YouTuber had kind of put her review at 12:30. Like, how is that even possible? Are you just creating these reviews so that you can or are you watching just these shows so that you can create reviews, or are you just watching them because you like watching these amazing shows? Because how even is it possible to create a review of 5 episodes with wherein each episode is for approximately 40 to 44 minutes? And how is it even possible to create a review just in 30 minutes once the show releases? So I just thought of taking the whole time, just giving every episode, because this show, I very much adore it for its cinematography, for the way the camera moves, and because I've gone through that stage of these competitive examinations, even though I'm not studied at all in those times. But at that kind of atmosphere is a flashback of our life during those days. During now it even feels so much funny that it was around so many years ago. But during these times, giving this finale, like the season two finale, a kind of a closure. So there is obviously a kind of a cliffhanger, so that season three would be even more amazing. One small drawback I can say that they have not considered the story COVID storyline at all. They have just shown that everything is normal. It is 2021, and there is AIR one from like all examinations are happening the way that they were happening, although that is the only drawback. So accordingly'll rate it approximately 4 stars. But apart from that, story wise, acting wise, everything is as good as season one. So that is it for this review, guys. Do let me know what you think about the show, if you have seen it, and what you think could be now be setting the story of the season three. And compared to season one, do let me know what you think about season two as well. And thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.